Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the Pixel 6 and ejecting the SIM tray. That prevents shorts and gives access. Next, warm the screen edge to loosen adhesive. Aim for 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, not hotter. Once warmed, apply a suction cup near the bottom and slide a 0.5 mm pick or guitar pick around the edge, keeping steady pressure. You want a small gap, then insert an opening pick to hold it. Make sure the bottom microphone area is free before lifting the display. Once the screen is slightly lifted, remove the mid-frame screws. There are 6 Phillips screws of varying length, so organize them. Lift the mid-frame and disconnect the battery first. That removes power during the repair. Then use a plastic pry tool to gently disconnect the display and digitizer flex cables from the board. Work slowly to avoid tearing. If your replacement lacks the earpiece or sensors, remove and transfer them now, because these small parts ensure microphone, proximity, and speaker function. Don't skip this step. Before sealing everything, reconnect the new screen and the battery briefly to power on and test touch, display, cameras, and sensors. This avoids redoing adhesive work. Once confirmed, power off and disconnect. Then clean old adhesive residue with isopropyl alcohol and apply new waterproof adhesive strips precisely. Align the screen, press edges to seat adhesive, reattach the midframe and screws, insert the SIM tray, and power on. If touch is unresponsive after reassembly, reseat connectors and check for bent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.